Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. Today I will show you how to repost on Instagram. Let's see how to do that. First go to Instagram. If you want to repost any post, just go to that post and take a screenshot of it and go to edit. Now crop this image, then click save. Now go to your post from the bottom and select that image and post it. Also you can post anything by simply clicking that airplane icon and add post to your story. Remember, it will only post to your story. If you want to post anyone's story to your story or your post, just click their story and as same as before, just take a screenshot and now post it. That's all. If you find this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.